So this viewer request comes from Only Entertainment 2145. Please upload option 3. Option 3 is from this poll right here I did a few days ago, and option 3 is a pop out effect. And so let me show you how I did that. So the first thing that I'm going to need is my photos that I need for this project. So I'm going to go into photos and I'm going to pick out the 3 that I use. So I wanted a beach one, and I used this one, a beautiful beach landscape. And I want to set this one as my background. And I might want to move it over some to get more waves in there. And then the other thing I wanted is I want this one because I want it look like it's raining. So the other thing I did is I needed to find somebody who looked like they were walking. So I got this photo right here, which is man walking on the road under the sun. And for this one, the rainy picture was person riding a bicycle during a rainy day. So those are the 3 pictures that I used. So what I did is I took this one right here and I removed the background. I'm not going to show you how to do that. If you need to know how to do that, just let me know. I got to go to a third party to do that because I am a free user. So I'm going to go into my uploads and I'm going to get my guy that I already removed the background from, and I am going to get rid of the picture. And now I have him There he is. So the next thing I need to do is go get my phone. So what I did up here is I went into and looked up phone frame. So that's what I want to do. And then we'll see all, and then you'll pick out what kind of style of phone you want. And we'll pick out this one. And then what I want to do now is I want to stick my rainy day photo. So let me take that position and put it in front of here. So it'll kind of grab it. Come on, go here. Come on, you can do it. Okay. There it goes. So let's smoosh it around till I get, and then I'm going to go here and I kind of want the truck. You can do whatever parts you want, and then I'm going to make it to the size that I want. So if I want it so like that big. So the other thing that I need to do is I need to take him and I want to flip him because I want him to look like he's walking out of the photo. Okay, here, see what's going on here? The way to avoid that is go here and lock it. So now it ain't trying to grab this picture right here, so you're good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make him bigger so he looks like he's stepping out on the beach. So we'll make him as big as you want to make him. And then what you want to do now is you want to go and you want to crop him to the edge. So let's put him down a little bit so he looks like he's stepping out a little bit more. And the next thing you want to do is you want to duplicate him, put him on top of each other, push him in like so, and then pull him out like so. So now he is stepping out. And if you want to, you can go into edit photo, and you might want to do this beforehand. All right, this is showing me. I don't use the new editor. I am going to go and click out of the new editor, revert to the old editor. So I want to see my shadows. I'm going to put a little curve on him so he has a shadow coming out on that front part. Oh, don't go there. Don't go there. And that'll give him some shadow right there. So let's line him back up. And there he is stepping out, and it gives him a little shadow. Otherwise, you can just go in your elements and search shadow. As you see, I can't type. Shadow, enter. And then you can just get like a little shadow or something and put underneath his foot. If you don't want to do like a other shadow, you can make your own shadow and put on shadow for under his foot. So like so. And that's how you do that. It's a real simple pop out. So I hope I answered your question, and I am glad you asked it, and I hope you ask more, and I'm here for you guys anytime you need me. If I can help, I will. Please leave your questions in the comments, and if I can help you out, I sure will help you out. Until the next time, I'm Michelle. See you later. Bye.